I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to keep track of your data usage on IE Mobile, here's a simple guide to check your data allowance. Step 1. Open the MyE app. Launch the MyE app on your smartphone. This app provides a user-friendly interface to manage your account and check your data usage. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you haven't registered yet, you can do so directly from the app. Step 3. Navigate to usage. Once logged in, look for the usage section in the main menu. This will show you a breakdown of your data, calls, and texts. Step 4. Check your data allowance. In the usage section, you will see your current data allowance and how much you have used. This is updated in real time, so you can see your usage as it happens. Step 5. Set up alerts. To avoid going over your limit, set up alerts in the app. This will notify you when you're nearing your data cap. If you ever find that your data usage seems higher than expected, double-check your app settings to ensure background data isn't being used excessively. I hope this helps you keep track of your data. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.